In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete or remove profile in Brave browser. By the end, you'll confidently clear out a profile you no longer need while understanding exactly what gets removed and what stays. First, open your Brave browser. You can have any tab or window active. The process is the same whether you're on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux. Look to the top right of the window and click your profile icon. Depending on your setup, it may appear as a circular avatar, a letter, or a profile name. This menu is your quick gateway to switching profiles, adding new ones, and managing the ones you already have. From that menu, choose Manage Brave Profiles. This opens a dedicated page that lists each profile as a card, often with a name, a distinct color, and sometimes an icon. Take a moment to identify the profile you want to remove. If you're unsure, glance at the profile name and color theme to avoid deleting the wrong one. It's a good idea to pause here and make sure you've selected the correct profile, because deleting it will remove its browsing data from this device. On the card for the profile you want to delete, click the three dots menu. This reveals profile-specific options. Select Delete. Brave will show a confirmation prompt so you can review your choice before anything is removed. This reminder is important. Deleting a profile removes its local data for that profile on this computer, including browsing history, bookmarks, extensions, site settings, and cookies tied to it. If you use Brave Sync, remember that deleting a local profile stops that profile from syncing on this device. It doesn't automatically erase data on other devices already synced, but it will remove the profile and its data from this computer. If you think you might want something later, consider backing up items like bookmarks before proceeding. When you're sure, click Delete again to confirm. Brave will remove that profile and close any windows or tabs that were open under it. If that was your active profile, Brave will switch you to another one, typically the default profile, so you can continue browsing without interruption. That's all it takes. You've now cleaned up your profile list and freed up space and attention for the profiles you actually use. If you manage multiple profiles for work, school, or testing, revisit the Manage Brave Profiles page anytime to rename or customize remaining profiles so they're easy to recognize. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough if you need a quick refresher while you're doing it.